iPhone 16 has a vibrant new look. It is made from beautiful aerospace-grade aluminum with 85% recycled content in the enclosure. We evolved the process of developing our unique and durable color-infused back glass to create new, rich colors: ultramarine, teal, and pink. Together with white and black, they create a bold new palette. iPhone 16 introduces the all-new innovative camera control. It allows you to adjust various camera features simply by sliding your finger. Its convenient design ensures it's always within reach. And with iPhone 16, the camera becomes even more important, now serving as a powerful tool for intelligence. The camera control offers instant access to a set of visual intelligence features.
Visual intelligence is just a click away with iPhone 16's new camera control that Cayenne introduced earlier. Just click and hold the camera control and point your iPhone. With just a click, boom! Your iPhone instantly pulls up restaurant hours, ratings, and quick options to check out the menu or make a reservation. And say you come across a flyer for an interesting event. Just click, and you can add it to your calendar. Details about the event title, time and date, and location are automatically entered for you. All of this is done privately using a combination of on-device intelligence and Apple services that never store your images. And there's more. The camera control is also your gateway to third-party tools, making it super fast and easy to tap into their specific domain expertise. And if you're studying notes from your college lecture and get stuck on a particular concept, just use the camera control to ask ChatGPT for guidance. Of course, you're always in control of when third-party tools are used and what information is shared. So that's visual intelligence, enabled by the new camera control on iPhone 16, helping you learn about your surroundings and get answers to your questions faster than ever before. It's coming to the camera control later this year.
iPhone is the world's most popular camera. It has profoundly impacted the world by making it effortless for everyone to capture amazing photos and videos. The camera control is easy to use in landscape or portrait. It's flush to the surface, covered by a sapphire crystal with a smooth texture and surrounded by a color-matched stainless steel trim. When you click, it launches the camera. And once in the camera, you don't need to adjust your grip to take a photo. Just click again, so you don't miss the moment. With a click and hold, you can do a quick video recording. A tactile switch enables the click experience. A high-precision force sensor interacts with the Taptic engine, ensuring responsive haptic feedback, like in a mechanical camera shutter. Additionally, a small multi-pixel capacitive sensor and signal processor under the sapphire crystal recognize touch gestures. A lighter press reveals an all-new, clean preview that dissolves other UI elements, helping you focus on framing the shot. A light press also brings up a new overlay that allows quick access to useful camera functions. By sliding your finger on the camera control, you can adjust controls like zoom. When you press lightly twice, you can see other controls. Then simply slide to the control you want and press lightly again to select it, like the depth of field to compose a stunning portrait. iPhone 16 also has a phenomenal 48-megapixel main camera that offers incredible flexibility. You can maximize resolution with a 48-megapixel photo, with 4 times more resolution than the camera on iPhone 14. iPhone 16 users will get the equivalent of 4 lenses in their pocket. And we're pushing things further with spatial capture on iPhone 16. The new camera design enables us to get stereoscopic information from the ultra-wide and fusion cameras for capturing spatial videos. And for the very first time on iPhone, we can also capture spatial photos. iPhone 16 also makes audio quality better. Using powerful machine learning algorithms, we can reduce unwanted wind noise from your videos. Once you've captured your moments, the true magic is enjoying them later. And we are elevating the entire experience with iOS 18.